Bitcoin's price is near its all-time high. Will it do a breakout and make its new all-time high, or we will see a huge dump from here? And personally, I'm entering in a long position or not. I'm discussing each and everything in today's video, so let's get straight to the point. So I'm on the Bitcoin's chart over here, and as you can clearly see, the price of Bitcoin is near its all-time high. Approximately near, I would say, because the all-time high is somewhat over 110k approx, and right now the price of Bitcoin is at $105,000. And to be honest, I will enter in a short position in Bitcoin if I see the price of Bitcoin going somewhat over near at $107,000. It is a very risky trade, obviously, and it may end up loss also, but it is what it is. I'll enter in a very risky trade. Only a small amount I will be entering with. So obviously I'll go short over here because I expect the price to dump from here, because the all-time high is a very good resistance for Bitcoin. As you can clearly see, it got rejected from here, it got rejected from here, and again from here. There are high chances, but I will personally enter in a short position at $107,000, and obviously no financial advice. So right now let's just wait what happens next for Bitcoin. Also, talking about Ethereum, if you have watched my last video, I told you all that my next take profit on Ethereum is $2,500, the take profit 3. This is my third take profit, and my fourth take profit will be $2,700. And guess what, the price exactly came at $2,700 and now got rejected. So this was my take profit 4. I hope you all know I entered in a long position somewhat over here at $1,500, and most of my profits were booked here, but now my trade is still running and I am up a good percent, and still I'm trailing my stop loss. Still a small portion is left. Let's see what happens, and if the price of Bitcoin pumps, then definitely Ethereum will also pump. But I don't know why, but I think the price of Ethereum is overbought right now. As you can clearly see, back-to-back green candles. We have not seen a retest as well. So I expect the price of Ethereum to maybe consolidate or dump a bit. Maybe we can see a small pump and then a dump. Same with Bitcoin. I expect the price of Bitcoin to go till 107, 108 and then dump towards the downside. But let's see how it goes. And in the end, I'm on Solana's chart, and when the price of Solana did a breakout above this purple zone, I hope you can see this important resistance and support zone from $119 level to $124 level. I told you all that the price of Solana can now reach this level, this white resistance zone, from $168 to $176, and guess what, it exactly did. And currently it is facing some rejection. So let's see what happens on Solana. If I find a good setup to enter in a short position on Solana, then I will definitely enter, because obviously, as I told you all, I am bearish on Bitcoin. So if I find a bearish setup on Solana, then I will definitely enter in a short position in Sol as well, and I will close my Ethereum long position too. But let's see, it is very risky going against the trend. So yes guys, this is it for today's video. It is just a quick short video updating you guys on my thoughts on BTC and Ethereum and Solana weekly, and tomorrow also I will upload a video, same update, and have I entered in a short position or not. It all depends on Bitcoin's price. If it reaches and performs according to my setup, then only I will enter in a short position, or else no. And this is all no financial advice, okay? So don't copy trade me, instead learn and practice on your own. And if you want to trade Bitcoin, Ethereum or Solana, or just buy and sell, you can do that on Bybit, Binance, BitGet. These are all centralized exchanges, so if you want to use, you can, or else no issues. Link of them are in the description below. Or else you can just create an account or use any exchange. Just go to any search browser and you can find tons of them. But do not fall for any scams. And this is it. I'll see you guys next time. Thank you for watching.